Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to change username in NGL. So let's get into the video. So if you want to change your username on LGL, so open up your NGL, and then once you get your NGL here, you will see that unfortunately NGL doesn't provide any options to delete your usernames. So as a workaround, what we can do if you want to change your username is best to lose your current username. So leave your current username and then you can get a new one. So to lose your current username, what you can do, you can simply delete your account. If you delete your account, so for example, just open up your NGL, go to settings, click on settings options, and then go to settings, and then here you will see a delete account option. Click on the delete account option. So when you hit on delete, then you will lose access to your current username. So click on delete and then you will lose your current username. And once you have done that, now you can simply create a new account with a new username that you wanted to change it to. So this will be the best option to do, as there is no option to change username, and also deleting and creating an account. It's very easy and a straightforward process in NGL. So I hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.